Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn thorn stitch. These are the thorns and it is nothing but a cross stitch over a straight line. Here in this cross stitch the two lines will be longer for thorns and the other two lines will be shorter and used in fixing the long thread in stem of the thorn. And now we shall start. Put straight lines like this and few small lines for grasses. And at first we shall put the straight lines using 6 strands of thread like this. Insert at one end and finish it at the other end, making long straight stitches like this for all the thorns. I'll finish all the straight stitches, long stitches and come back. And again I am using 3 strands for the thorns. Insert at one point, make a small stitch above the stem and finish it on top on the other side straight to the previous starting stitch. See here once again, insert on one side, make a long stitch and just insert it and take it out above the stem as a short stitch and again finish it on the other side straight to the previous stitch and come to the other stitch. You are making small cross stitches above this straight line and it will make a thorn. See here once again, insert on one side. Again make a small stitch above the straight line like this and take it out on the same side. Go straight to the starting stitch and finish it on the other side. These long stitches look like thorns and these short stitches will fix the straight line. As they are thorns, the stitches may be irregular. The look will be very nice if it is irregular. Don't put all same size stitches. And this stitch is called thorn stitch and mainly used for filling the thorns in your pattern. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I have uploaded many videos for all the basic stitches and I have given all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. You can use any color thread for making these thorns according to your pattern. The stitches on top can be smaller and the stitches, thorns below can be little longer. You can stitch accordingly, but take care that the stitches should be irregular in this thorn stitch. It should not be of same size as we do in other stitches. In this same method you can finish all the thorns and this is the back view of the stitch. Thank you for watching.